Hey friends, welcome back to Bacis Land. I'm Baci and I need your help. I'm here at the toy store and I need to find all of these toys. Can you help me? Way to go! Alright, first toy that we're gonna have to find is starts with the letter A. Ah, it's an apple. Can you help me find the apple? Nice work! Alright, try to point to it. Good one! Alright, the next one is a bee. It starts with a B. It's a bumblebee. Where's the bumblebee? Nice work! We have found two of them. Now let's see what's next. It's the letter C. It's for a cat. We need to find a cat toy. Look around. You found it! You're amazing! C, cat. D is up next. I know, my friend really loves these. It starts with the letter D. It's a dinosaur. Did you find the dinosaur? You're a superstar. E is next. Let's look for an eagle. E, eagle. There it is. Eagle. It's an eagle toy. All right, let's look at our list. What's the next toy? F, frog. Where is that frog? There it is. You're a superstar. All right, where is our next toy? A G. This word, giraffe, does start with a G, but I really like to hear the G sound in grapes. So I think, although there's many of these toys, we need to find a giraffe eating grapes. Did you find it? Fantastic. All right, next on our list, I see that it's an H. Hippo. A hippopotamus. Do you see a hippo? Oh, that hippo. It was hiding. You found it, though. Let's take a look over here. So after a hippo, we gotta find the iguana. Yeah, I think it's camouflage. Iguana starts with the letter I. You did it! Fantastic! J, jaguar. Where is the jaguar? Way to go! You're good at this game. K, koala. Found the koala. What is next? L, lion is next. This way even more exciting. You did it. You found it. Okay. M, monkey. Is it monkeying around, that silly monkey? That's a really nice monkey toy. All right, what's next? N, needle. Needles are teeny tiny. You have to be careful because they can be very sharp. But I think it's part of a kit. A sewing kit. Yeah, I see it too. There's the needle. O, octopus. We gotta find an octopus toy. Where did you find it? Of course, there it is. Way to go, friend. P, penguin. You did fantastic. There's the penguin. All right. Q, queen. Yes. That's a really nice toy. R, raccoon is the next toy. I can't quite see it. Do you see it? Oh, you did wonderful. You're such a smart friend. Yeah, you found the R, raccoon. What about over here? What's next? S, the sheep. Although sheep does start with the letter S, I like to really focus on that sound that the S makes with socks. So maybe we have to find a sheep that has a sock on. Oh, there it is, and it's on a sock too. All right, tiger. Do you see that tiger? Tigers make me scared. Oh, of course, but this one's just a toy. I don't have to be scared. Oh, wonderful. Unidentified. Something that we don't know. In this case, it's an unidentified object. UFO. Yeah, it's like a little spaceship. Look at that. Oh, vase. We gotta be careful with this one because we have to be gentle. It might break. Yeah. Oh, there it is. You're good at this. All right. Winter. Ooh, something that looks like it's wintertime. And in wintertime, it gets really cold. Of course. How didn't I think of that? Look. That shows a picture on top of it of wintertime. Xmas. Although people say Xmas and it starts with an X, it's really meant to be a word that says Christmas. In this case, why don't we find a fox? Because fox ends with the X sound. And then a fox under an Xmas tree. Did you find it? Fantastic, friend. There's the letter X hiding. Yeah. Y like yesterday. Take a close look. It looks like it's a calendar. So, Y, yesterday, we need to look for a calendar. Yesterday. There it is. We found the calendar that shows yesterday, the day before this one. Last but not least, on our list to buy, we need to buy a toy that has zigzags. Zigzag. That's where it is. Oh, I couldn't have done it without your help. I want to thank you so much. And don't forget to like and subscribe for many more adventures. See you soon, friends. Bye.